Welcome everyone! Today I'll quickly show you the complete process for using torrents on a Mac for free, using the 2025 guide. First, download the qBittorrent DMG file from its official website. When you try to open it, you'll likely face a macOS security error, but there's an easy fix. Open your terminal and type the first command, sudo spctl master disable, then enter your password. For the second command, type xattr, cra, add a space, and then simply drag and drop the DMG file into the terminal window before hitting enter. After this fix, the DMG will open perfectly. To give you a quick demo, I'll download a torrent file from the official Ubuntu website. A simple click on the file automatically opens it in qBittorrent, and once I press OK, the download begins instantly. See how easy it is to get started?